Now this is play 6. The computer or the in-motion technology does not actually have play 6 on it. So do your best to pay attention here. Shortstop will not cover the base in this situation. We'll have second baseman actually cover the base when the runner goes. And when that takes place, the shortstop is just going to cheat in the edge of the infield grass. Okay. The second baseman will snap it down to the shortstop. We're not looking to get the runner at first. That's stealing out at all. We're just trying to get somewhat of a simulation of a throw to second to get this runner from third far enough off the base. He does start to take a few false steps towards home plate. Our shortstop can backpick him or throw it home if needed. If that runner were to get caught between the two bases, the shortstop should immediately run after him until the runner breaks towards home or breaks back to third, and then throw the ball to the necessary spot. So again, this is play 6. I'm not going to run the play because everybody else will be doing different things. Don't pay attention to that. So that's play 6.